Control, this is Agent Aldrin. I need a request to open up cell 311.
I'm an angsty teen, Thad. Bite me. Also, how do you know my name? People willingly talk to you.
Just follow me. Oh, and by the way,
Sneaking out to make out with my boyfriend that I definitely have? Okay, you caught me. I need to measure the exterior hydraulic mechanisms of door 1, because that's the project I'm working on for school. A big old door, just like what my old man built. I want to join the WDF and hide behind doors like cowards while playing cards and stuff. Neat. Therapy's fun.
Did you just slap me with that arm?
Holy crap, it talks.
Yeah, sorry, it's just my, head kinda hurts. Hey, are you new to our squad? You're a little, short for a disassembly drone. I'm Serial Designation N. Nice to meet you. I'm kind of the leader of the squad in this city. That's not true. Everyone tells me I'm useless and terrible. Wait, biscuits!
Toxic masculinity, Chad. That's never gonna end up problematic.
Please approach SCP-173 for testing.
Oh, wow. Uzi?
There seems to be a problem
Awesome.
with the door control system.
Hey, those bandages look pretty badass. Oh, what's the,
Thick as hell, railgun? Oh, Jesus! Oh, Jesus!